the Z Plus butane torch flame insert for Zippo lighters. This insert fits in any standard Zippo case. You simply take out the standard Zippo insert and you put this one in its place, thus turning your oil Zippo lighter with a natural flame into a butane. You can see on the bottom you have your refill valve and your adjustment knob. And this is very simple. You just push the igniter down, get a nice strong single butane flame. So if you're looking to light cigars with your Zippo, this is the insert that you need to make that happen. This is the Z Plus butane torch flame insert for Zippo lighters.